Hello guys, I'm Soni. Welcome back to my channel. If you are currently looking for internship opportunities in software development, DevOps or data analytics, then this video is definitely for you. Because today we have 3 internship opportunities from companies like AdEngage and Voya Financials. And all 3 are for students and graduates, but the skill requirements are completely different. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's start with the first opportunity. The first company is AdEngage and they are hiring for the role of MERN Stack Developer Intern. This is an in-office internship opportunity available in Mumbai and Hyderabad, and candidates with around 0 to 1 year of experience can apply. Now, if you are someone who is learning the MERN Stack and looking for a first practical development experience, then this is a good opportunity you should check. As a full-stack developer intern, you will assist the development team in building and maintaining full-stack web applications. Your work will involve front-end and back-end development. On the front-end side, you will work with technologies like React, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and Redux. On the back-end side, you will get exposure to Node.js, Express.js, and MongoDB. You will help implement new application features based on project requirement. You may also work on UI implementation, backend functionality, data handling, and API related development. Another important part of the role is understanding how software is actually developed inside a team. So, you will collaborate with experienced developers, participate in technical discussions, understand project requirement, and follow the proper coding, testing, and deployment practices. This is this is important because when you are learning development through tutorials or college projects, you will usually work independently. But inside a real development team, you need to understand existing code, follow coding standards, communicate with other developers, and make changes without breaking the existing functionality. Now let's talk about the required skills. The primary skills include MERN Stack, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and Git. They also mention technologies such as Redux and JSON, along with general web development and problem solving skills. There are few additional technologies that can help you. These include Bootstrap, MySQL, Angular, AWS, jQuery, Java, Python, C Sharp, and software testing. You don't necessarily need to know everything here. The core requirement is understanding web development and MERN ecosystem. Now, coming to the qualifications, a BTech or BE in specialization, or having completed a BTech or BE in any specialization, along with postgraduate candidates. So, if you are currently studying engineering or have recently graduated, this is a good one. Now let's move on to the second opportunity. The second opportunity is from Fx31Labs Private Limited, and they are hiring for the role of DevOps Engineer Intern. This one is very different from the first opportunity. The internship is based in Ahmedabad and it is open to freshers. The stipend mentioned for this opportunity is 10,000 rupees per month. Now let's understand what you will actually work on. As a DevOps Engineer Intern, you will work with engineering team to support application deployments, cloud infrastructure, automation, and development operations. One of the first things you will work with is Linux. You will need to understand Linux based systems, troubleshoot common issues, and work with command line tools. You will also use Git and GitHub for version control. That means you will understand how developers manage code, collaborate on repositories, and maintain different versions of applications. Another important responsibility is scripting. You will work with Bash and shell scripting to automate repetitive tasks. This is a very important DevOps skill because automation is one of the main reasons DevOps exists in the first place. Instead of manually performing the same deployment or configuration task repeatedly, engineers automate those processes using script and tools. You will also get hands-on exposure to Docker. You may assist in building and managing containers and understanding how applications are packaged and deployed consistently across different environments. The skills mentioned include AWS, Azure, and GCP. Now, you probably don't need to be an expert in all 3 cloud platforms, but having a basic understanding of cloud platforms, virtual machines, and application hosting can definitely help. You will also troubleshoot deployment and infrastructure related issues. Now let's talk about the required skills. The core skills include Linux, Git, GitHub, Bash, shell scripting, Docker, CI/CD, AWS, Azure, and GCP. You should also understand basic concepts related to HTTP, HTTPS, DNS, and SSH. Now coming to the qualifications, this opportunity is open to undergraduate students, postgraduate students, engineering, and even students from arts, commerce, and science backgrounds. So this is not restricted to only to computer science students. If you are genuinely being interested in Linux and cloud, then this is definitely worth checking out. Now let's move on to the third and final opportunity of today's video. The third opportunity is from Voya Financials and they are hiring for the role of Data Analysis Intern. This is based in Bangalore and it is open to freshers. The internship duration is mentioned as 3 months with a full-time schedule across 5 working days. And if you're interested in Python, SQL, Power BI, then this opportunity is worth checking out. Now let's understand the responsibilities. As a data analysis intern, you will work with both structured and unstructured data sets. Your first responsibility will be collecting, cleaning, and pre processing data from different sources. And this is actually one of the most important parts of real world data analysis because before you can build dashboards or machine learning models, the data needs to be properly prepared. You will then perform exploratory data analysis or EDA to identify trends, patterns, relationships, and potential problems in the data. You will also help develop dashboards, reports, and visualizations. This is where tools like Power BI and Tableau become important. You will use these tools to convert raw data into something that business teams can actually understand and use. You will also collaborate with cross functional teams to understand what kind of analysis is actually required. This is another important skill for data analysis. Now, talking about the skills, the key skills mentioned for this internship are Python, SQL, Excel, Power BI, Tableau, data visualization, exploratory data analysis, and machine learning. So, if you know Python and Excel already, and you are currently learning Python or building project using these things, then you should definitely consider applying. Coming to the qualifications, the opportunity specifically mentions BTech or BE in computer science. So, candidates from a CS engineering background who are interested in data analytics can consider applying. Now, if we compare all three opportunities, if you are a MERN Stack developer and you want to get into development, then AdEngage internship is strongest. And if you are into Linux, Docker, or cloud side, then second internship is a better option. And if you're interested in Python, SQL, data analysis, then go for the third one. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. All the apply link are in the description box. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out my next opportunity update video. And if you want any particular job update in a particular domain, make sure to comment down so I can bring it in front of you. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching guys.